The letter that never came was a quiet Sunday afternoon when Lena, a retired teacher, began cleaning her old study. Dust floated through the sunlight that entered her window. The smell of old paper filled the air. She had not opened the drawer in years, the one filled with notebooks and little things her students had given her. As she sorted through the papers, her eyes caught something unusual, an old, yellowed envelope sealed but never opened. Her heart skipped. The handwriting on the front looked familiar. Michael, her best friend from college. Lena sat down slowly, holding the letter as if it were a fragile piece of her past. Michael had passed away almost 15 years ago. They had lost touch after graduation, when life carried them in different directions. She into teaching and he into journalism abroad. For years, she wondered why he stopped writing. Now, here it was, the letter that never came. Her hands trembled slightly as she opened the envelope. Inside was a neatly folded piece of paper written in blue ink. Dear Lynn, by the time you read this, I might already be far away again. I got the job I told you about, the one overseas. But before I go, I need you to tell you something I couldn't say in person. You were more than just my best friend. You were the person who made every hard day feel lighter. You believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. I was too afraid to tell you then, but I think I loved you quietly and maybe forever. If you never get this letter, it means I couldn't find the courage to send it. But if somehow you do, I hope you're happy and that life has been kind to you. Always, Michael. His eyes filled with tears. She sat in silence, sound of the ticking clock echoing softly through the room. So many years had passed, years filled with students, laughter, and lessons. Yet, a small piece of her heart had always wondered what happened to Michael. She smiled through the tears. Life was kind to me, Michael, she whispered, and now I know you cared. She folded the letter gently and placed it in a small box with her favorite keepsake. That night, she made herself a cup of tea, sat by the window, and watched the stars. For the first time in a long while, her heart feels full, not because she found new love, but because an old one had finally reached her. Moral of the story: sometimes closure doesn't come from answers, it comes from understanding that love, once given, never truly disappears. Thank you for listening.